What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm gonna make a very quick video on how I just made literally over $300 in less than 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, $300 in less than 3 minutes. And I actually had the potential to make over $600, but I'm getting a little greedy and I'm gonna settle for the 300, and I'm gonna let my other half have the potential to grow more. So I'm gonna let you guys know exactly how I did that. So in my last video, I mentioned how I was still holding on to my second half of my Canopy growth stocks. And this morning at exactly 9:33 a.m., pretty much right when the markets opened, I sold off another half of my shares. I was sitting on about 243 shares, which was a little bit over $8,000 to $9,000 worth of shares. I'm gonna show you guys the print screen right now, which will be the exact number of what I had. So this morning I was looking at about $607.59 gains. So as soon as I saw that, I pretty much sold off instantly. So in the mornings, I like to call it the morning rush. Sometimes right in the very morning, the markets seem to have a lot of volume. Some share prices will go up very high and some will go very low. So the moment I saw Canopy growth just get really high, I decided to sell off. So I didn't want to take any chances. I didn't want to wait another 10 minutes just to see it go back down to 300. So I was sitting at about $607.59 of gains, and I decided to sell 120 of my 243 remaining shares. So technically, I really could have actually made $607 in 3 minutes, but instead I sold half of my shares because I think Canopy still has potential for more growth, because all I see is green since I see these stocks going very high. See what I did there? I'm just kidding. Well, thank God I actually held on to the second half of my shares, because I literally just checked, and right now my Canopy growth are sitting at over $500 profit. I'm gonna hold on to it till tomorrow and I'll keep you guys updated. So why is Canopy climbing so much? Because literally in the past 2 days, Canopy went up over 19%. Well, in recent news, Canopy has announced that they had an agreement to acquire Canopy Health Innovation and Canopy Animal Health. So Canopy intends to smoke their way into the medical cannabis market. Just kidding, that's not even funny. Analysts are very bullish when it comes to Canopy. Out of 10 analysts surveyed, 6 recommended Canopy as a buy, 3 recommended Canopy as a hold, and 1 analyst recommended Canopy as a sell. Fuck that guy, just kidding. And some other very good news about Canopy is they have also applied to become the very first pot producer to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. And I'm very bullish on Canopy, but I also expect and I'm hoping for a lot of volatility. I've sold off $14,000 worth of my shares, but I'm really hoping to buy them all back, or if anything, I want to buy more. The moment I see Canopy going below the price that I have them at right now, I'm definitely going to be buying back in. If Canopy goes below $30, I'll be throwing in another 20K into Canopy. Wish me luck, guys. I'm going to try to keep you guys updated. Like I said, this is a very quick video, and I'm probably going to slow down on these swing trades because I actually have other videos planned, which I don't really have the time to because I've been focusing so much on my swing trades, and on top of that, I have a lot of stuff going on in my life right now. So obviously I will try to make swing trade videos, but I don't want my channel to just be strictly about swing trades. I started this channel without even having one swing trade video. It's just recently I did one swing trade and I realized some of you guys were liking it, and I do swing trades almost every day. I could have been doing swing trades this whole time, and it's probably one of the easiest videos for me to do because they're so short, they're so easy. Literally all I'm doing is recording exactly what I'm doing and talking about my trade. So it's probably one of the easiest, laziest ways for me to be posting up content every day, which I don't want to do that. So I want to try to post up some good quality content. I'm going to keep trying to do swing trade videos, and I'm also trying to release another video. Stay tuned for it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for enjoying my swing trades. Let me know what you guys think about Canopy or any other marijuana companies you guys are looking at. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, then what are you waiting for, man? I'm tired of asking you. Smash that subscribe button. And that's it for now. Bye.